to help your anxious teen? Now, this is an important topic that I am going to talk to you all about today. Now, anxiety is essentially a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something that has an uncertain outcome. And when one is going through these feelings of anxiety, one is labeled as being anxious. Now, to understand how you as a parent can help your teen when he or she is feeling anxious, we first need to know these three things. First fact about anxiety is that anxiety is natural and very much a normal emotion in teens. Now, since they are going through so many unknown changes and new experiences in their lives, anxiety we know arises from all this unpredictability in their lives, right? So stop treating it as something unnatural. The second fact about anxiety is that all anxiety is really not bad, and there is nothing stigmatic about it. In fact, some of the anxiety is really helpful in keeping our young teens safe and thoughtful about the consequences of their actions. And the number 3 fact about anxiety is that everyone feels anxious at some point or the other. And no, it is not a reflection of our strength and courage. Now, for most teens, anxiety goes away on its own, but for some it doesn't. And when you see this happening and anxiety interfering with the normal functioning of your teen's life, it is time that you need to certainly intervene and help your teen. Now, knowing how to manage these emotions positively is what we need to teach our teens too. Now, these are my top 6 strategies in which, 6 tools and 6 ways in which you can help your anxious teens. Number 1, mindfulness. Now, mindfulness basically means living in the present moment. So when you practice mindfulness, there is an automatic disconnection which happens with the future and also the worries of the future. So this is absolutely a beautiful way to manage anxiety. Teach your teens to be mindful, teach your teens to meditate, and to live in the present moment fully. Take help from online resources. There are a lot of meditation apps where you will find mindfulness meditations. And my best is Insight Timer. It's a free app which helps you practice mindfulness in a number of ways. Number 2, exercise. Now, there have been too many researches already and that have been carried out in the past, establishing a clear relationship between physical exercising and mental well-being. So push your teen to get active and he would be in a much better state to manage his everyday anxiety. 3, breathe. Deep breathing helps cool down the body and also recovers the body from the fight or flight mode. So use slow deep breathing every day to equip their brains to manage anxiety. So develop a habit to get into deep breathing and mindful breathing every now and then with your teen. Point number 4 is food. There have been a number of studies which have time and again proven the brain health and its association with a happy gut. So feed your teens nourishing foods, give them fiber, give them probiotics to maintain a healthy gut. And with time, you would see your anxious teen doing much better in coping with anxious feelings. Number 5 is sleep. Now, quality deep sleep and enough sleep are 2 essentials to a healthy brain functioning. And once your teen has these, in his life, he would definitely feel calmer and more capable of handling anxiety. So kindly ensure that your teen is sleeping well and is sleeping enough. And my last strategy and tool for you is connect with nature. Take your teen out for a walk in the park, spend some time in the greens, make him walk on the grass barefoot or just simply spend some time gardening. All these activities actually helps your teen overcome his fears and anxieties in a very beautiful way because they all help him feel grounded and attached to nature. So these are my top 6 strategies which you can use to calm your teen down when he or she is in the middle of anxiety. Now in the end, I would just like to end the video on a quote by William James. He was an American philosopher and a psychologist. He said that the greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over the other. So yes, reach out to your teen and teach him to manage his thoughts well, okay? And when the thoughts and the head is clear, the thoughts are sorted, these feelings of anxiety would automatically become more manageable. So yes, help your teen manage his anxiety well, okay? And let's raise happy and capable generation of adults for the new tomorrow that we dream of. Now if you like this video and the points that I mentioned, comment below the video and tell me what is your key takeaway from this video, okay? And what strategies are the ones that you have picked up and you will apply next time you see your teen nervous or anxious about something. See you. Bye.